Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon EMR easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Amazon EMR, begin by visiting the AWS Management Console. Log in using your AWS account credentials. If you don't have an account, select the Create a new AWS account option. Once logged in, type Amazon EMR in the search bar at the top of the console. Select the Amazon EMR service from the drop-down results. On the Amazon EMR dashboard, click on the Create Cluster button. You will be directed to the cluster configuration page. Choose the default settings or customize them according to your requirements. Make sure to select the appropriate software configuration for your cluster. Next, configure the instance types for your master, core, and task nodes. Set the scaling options if you wish to enable automatic scaling. Now, configure the security settings for your cluster. Ensure you have selected the correct IAM role to allow EMR access to your data. You can also configure additional options like logging and monitoring. After configuring, review all settings to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Create Cluster button at the bottom of the page. The cluster creation process will start, and you can monitor its progress on the console. Once your cluster is running, you'll receive a notification, and you can begin using Amazon EMR. With your cluster up and running, you can upload data and start processing it with your chosen tools. That's it, you're successfully registered with Amazon EMR. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.